I took my IELTS exam and it was IELTS on computer, and in my IELTS related videos that I've posted, some people were commenting na did I take my IELTS online ba daw, and they meant na did I take my IELTS online on my own computer at home. So I want to clarify that bit. There are two different modes of delivery in IELTS. So IELTS on computer and IELTS on paper, and I understand how IELTS on computer might mean to some people na online lang. So, di ba, when you say online, parang at home lang. Parang that's what it meant. So, let me clarify that. IELTS on computer means you will answer the IELTS questions using a computer. So, yung isa on paper, di ba? Yun lang talaga yung difference. You will be answering or you will be putting your answer directly sa computer instead of putting it on a paper and writing using a pen. So, yun lang talaga yung difference, yung mode of delivery. IELTS on computer, however, does not mean na it's accessible online or sa bahay niyo lang. It means you will still be answering using a computer, but yung computer sa testing center and not your own computer. So, both IELTS on paper and on computer, both of these must be taken sa mga IELTS testing center, and there is no option for you to take your IELTS at home lang. And there are a lot of possible reasons for this, so ibibigay ko lang sa inyo yung mga assumptions ko. One of the reasons probably is for anti-cheating, because diba, if you're just at home, your home is an unsecure environment for you to take your IELTS exam. Bigyan ko kayo ng reasons why that is. So, nung nag-book kami ng IELTS exam, we had to provide a valid government ID. And for me, ang pinrovide ko was my passport. When we arrived in the IELTS testing center, we had to show our passport dun sa mga staff, and then they had to check the identity nung nasa passport and the actual person. So, they had to make sure na ako ang magte-take ng IELTS exam for myself. Because, diba, it is possible na some people might pay someone to take their exam for them if they're not confident na kaya nilang maipasa yung IELTS exam nila. So, anti-cheating purposes din yon. As a matter of fact, dun sa passport, diba may signature doon? They asked me to sign on a piece of paper, and when I signed kasi parang there was a small difference compared dun sa signature ko sa passport. So, they asked me to sign again before they confirmed na okay na yan. So, I was the person present at the testing center. Tapos, they confirmed that using my passport. So, if you don't have a passport, pwede naman other valid government IDs like SSS, PRC, ganyan. They were so strict with that, with anti-cheating, na in the middle of the exam, I needed to use the restroom. Tapos, I had to do my biometric para may proof ba na lumabas ako. Tapos, nung nasa restroom na ako, the staff literally was outside ng cubicle ko, the restroom that I used. Sinabayan talaga ako all the way, tapos pabalik naman, sinabayan din ako. To make sure na I wasn't there in the restroom to look at materials or something. Assumption ko lang yan. So, how much more, diba, kung online? Tapos sa bahay ka lang nagtitake ng exam. So, possible na may other people in the room with you, natabunan lang ng camera if the camera will be on or something. Tapos sa listening test kasi, other people might hear and coach you with answers. So, like I said, assumption ko lang to on why I believe na walang IELTS online. Yun lang guys, that's just the thing I wanted to clarify. There is no online IELTS. All IELTS exams will be taken sa mga IELTS testing centers, and you only have two options, which is IELTS on paper or IELTS on computer.